What if you could invest in renewable energy projects across Europe? Start with only a few €100 and target annual returns above 10%. Impact investing is no longer reserved for banks, professional funds, or wealthy investors. Today, individual investors can directly finance solar parks, battery storage facilities, electric vehicle charging networks, sustainable agriculture, and many other solutions shaping the green economy. And billions of euros are already flowing through sustainable investment and crowdfunding platforms. In this video, we will explore some of the most interesting sustainable investment opportunities currently available, including projects targeting double-digit returns. You will also discover major platform milestones, new investment products, and important trends that could create the next generation of green investment opportunities. Let's explore what is happening across Europe's sustainable crowdfunding market. Solar energy, storage, and agrivoltaics are giving investors several new ways to participate in the green transition. Lumo France has launched projects offering returns of up to 9.5% annually, including solar developments, battery storage, and 22 agrivoltaic sites. With campaigns targeting hundreds of thousands of euros, Lumo is turning large renewable projects into accessible investment opportunities. Double-digit sustainable returns are available right now on Ener2 Crowd. The platform is financing solar power, energy efficiency upgrades, and energy-saving certificate projects, with expected annual yields reaching 10.2%. Investors can back projects in Italy and Spain while supporting renewable energy communities and building renovations. It is a strong example of impact and return potential coming together. Battery storage could become one of Europe's biggest investment themes, and Zonhub is already giving investors access. Its Brabant Energy project targets an 8.5% return, while the Zonnepark Almere solar project offers 7% fixed interest. Zonhub has now financed around 160 million euros across more than 300 projects, returning over 26 million euros to investors. Sustainable investing does not stop at Europe's borders. Bettervest is offering projects in Egypt, Zambia, and Colombia, covering sustainable agriculture, cleaner cooking, and solar energy. Target returns reach 8.6% annually, with terms of around 3 years. These projects show how crowdfunding can connect European investors with environmental and social solutions in fast-growing international markets. What if your investment could support both clean energy and the blue economy? Goparity is financing projects such as AI-assisted lobster farming and solar mobility in Portugal, with returns reaching 8.4% annually. The platform is also highlighting regenerative agriculture and verified carbon credits, showing how impact investing is expanding beyond traditional solar and wind projects. Cities also need investors to finance the green transition. Abundance Investment has opened a new Glasgow City Council opportunity, supporting smart and active travel, with a fixed return of 4.55% over 5 years. The platform has already directed more than £27 million into UK municipal projects, giving individuals a direct way to fund local climate infrastructure. Nearly €900 million has now been invested through Lendosphere and Lendopolis, making them major players in French renewable energy crowdfunding. Lendosphere is financing several local solar and wind projects, while Lendopolis has 13 solar power plants seeking €12.6 million. Together, the platforms show the scale citizen capital can achieve in the energy transition. Sustainability investing can also include real estate. ECCO NOVA is financing Chicken Cot, a fully rented student residence in Liège. A group purchase secured a 15% discount, and investors can participate from €250, targeting a gross internal rate of return of 6% over 8 years. The platform also celebrated its largest early repayment so far. WIWIN has taken a major step by offering actual company shares for the first time. Investors can now become shareholders in sustainable beverage company Lemonade and Charity, with shares priced at €39.90 and a minimum purchase of 7 shares. This brings equity crowdfunding directly into WIWIN's sustainable investment ecosystem. Local solar projects can create visible impact in the communities where investors live. Solarify has launched community-backed installations for the Brunnenhof Socio-Cultural Center in Bern and another solar plant in Jubiasco. These smaller projects may not attract billion-euro headlines, but they show how crowdfunding can help schools, community buildings, and local organizations reduce energy costs. Not every sustainable investment needs to involve solar panels or batteries. Klimja is raising capital for Wildesleben, a nature and wildlife reserve in Lausitz, Germany, designed as a sustainable and hunting-free sanctuary. The platform has now mobilized €10 million in its 10th anniversary year. showing growing investor interest in biodiversity and nature protection. Impact investing is expanding into culture. Lita is giving the public the opportunity to invest in MK2, one of France's best-known independent cinema groups, as it opens its capital to citizens for the first time. This project shows that sustainable finance can support not only energy and climate solutions, but also independent culture and social value. Fundeen is proving how quickly strong renewable projects can attract capital. Its Olympus electric mobility portfolio raised 3.9 million euros from 251 co-investors to deploy 391 charging points. Even more impressive, a 3 million euros wind farm in La Brasa was fully financed by local citizens in under 48 hours. Investor demand for green infrastructure remains powerful. Enerfep Group continues to demonstrate the scale of citizen renewable energy investing. In June, Enerfep raised 14.4 million euros, while Lumo added another 1.6 million euros. Nearly 10 million euros was also repaid to investors during the month. These figures show that sustainable crowdfunding is not only funding new projects, but also returning capital at growing scale. Sustainable crowdfunding is giving individual investors access to opportunities that were once available mainly to banks and large investment funds. Today, people can finance solar energy, battery storage, clean mobility, sustainable agriculture, biodiversity, and other high-impact solutions, while potentially earning attractive returns. However, higher potential returns also involve higher risks. Always examine the platform, project owner, financial structure, security, repayment terms, and possible loss scenarios before investing. At Crowdinform, we regularly review not only renewable energy and sustainable investment projects, but also startup investing, real estate crowdfunding, SME loans, and peer-to-peer investment opportunities from across Europe. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Crowdinform so you do not miss the latest platforms, market updates, and some of the most interesting alternative investment opportunities available in Europe. Read the full article through the link below, subscribe to the Crowdinform newsletter, and join us as we continue exploring where people can invest next. Don't just watch the green transition, help finance it and become part of its growth.